Welcome back to Skills Academy. In this tutorial, we'll dive into how to add someone on WhatsApp on Android devices. Add the respective contact to your contact list. Keep the phone number of the contact that you wish to add on WhatsApp handy with you. And launch WhatsApp over your device. Hit on the chat icon available over the right bottom of your screen, then hit on the New Contact option. You'll now be redirected to Create New Contact screen. Add the necessary details, name and phone number, and push Save, Refresh, WhatsApp contact list. Next, you need to launch the WhatsApp over your device again, followed by tapping the chat icon. Then hit on the 3 vertical dots over right top of your screen and opt for the Refresh option. WhatsApp will now establish the sync between your contacts and its database. Within a short while, the added contact will show up on your contact list. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.